Welcome, Brian Redzikowski from Kettner Exchange. Today for the summer market box, we're going to show you one of the dishes that were included, the kits. It's a Seabass and popiat. Pretty much means that we're going to cook something inside a bag, parchment paper. For this instance, it's going to be this fatta paper from Italy, and we're going to show you how to do that. So, Chilean sea bass that we're using here. This one, I recommend you have to highly season this on all sides, and that'll be portioned for you as well. White pepper, we always use white pepper here. It's a little bit more subtle than black pepper. And then pretty much it's assembling this. And again, with the rest of the boxes that we've done in the past, it pretty much comes down to you. Like, we have recommendations that we do at the restaurant, but you can add anything, omit anything. So this is Carolina Gold rice. You're gonna stick that, it's 100% cooked already, so right in the middle. From there, we're gonna build on that one. So here we take the maitake mushrooms that we roasted. You can put one like that. This is tomato confit. We cooked this one in a little bit of olive oil, thyme, garlic for 6 hours. Becomes like candy. At this one, little corn. And what you're doing is you're making a little bed. You're gonna bring this all together. And then when this cooks, it's just gonna steam in there. The best part about this one is the heirloom tomatoes that we use, because we're in the peak of the season right here. These guys, we've used these before. This is Girl in the Dug tomatoes. We'll use these as well. We just build on that. This one's just an heirloom tomato that we just sliced. We're gonna put that in there as well. And when you leave the foundation, like that. Girl in the Dug zucchini and squash that we use as well. A few slices of that. And again, you're just building around. This is all going to come together. That's it. And then the Chilean sea bass, we're going to put right on there. From that, thyme, you can add on top of that. And then lemon. I just do a slice of lemon. Right on top of that fish. Like that. That's what you have. So from here, you're going to bring up all the sides. Corner to corner. Corner. And you make a little package. And this one's important to really seal this thing on there, because that's going to create that steam, like baked effect, as this thing goes in the oven. So all the flavors lock in there, all the liquid, and pretty much becomes a sauce with that liquid from the sea bass and that butter and thyme. Try that one like that. And then one more time like that. Then you can cut the little extras off like that. And that's it. That's what you have so far, like that. So again, these can be done ahead of time. They can be even done the day before if you like. I wouldn't go more than 2 days, because obviously the fish and the lemon will start cooking it. So from this one, we've just put it onto a tray and into the oven, a 350-degree oven, for about 11 minutes, and we'll check it at that point. All right, so this has been in there a little over 12 minutes. You'll see now everything's trapped in there. Well, that flavor creates its own little sauce in there. And then just for presentation, just put it on there. That's it. And then when you get to the table, all you have to do is cut this guy open like this, so that steam just releases. Open like that. And there you go. You have a little steamed fish in fatta paper.